Commissioner, you have fought long and hard for this. How significant are the changes we're about to see?
There are significant changes for the citizens of the EU because we want them to be better protected and to have better under control what's happening to their privacy. And I think that this is a good step.
Mark Zuckerberg was recently here and said his company would fully comply. Now, big companies seem well prepared. How concerned should small businesses be?
Small businesses in Germany are concerned because I receive a lot of mails from them. Of course, they should take the necessary preventive measures. But for many small businesses which do not process data as their core business, they should do some necessary arrangements which are not very big or not very demanding. So the companies should assess the level of risk which is there for the data of people. And of course, Mark Zuckerberg, coming back to the big ones, he could not answer otherwise. I cannot imagine him to say, no, we do not care about the EU rules. Vice versa, he said we will fully comply and we will also apply the European standards for protection of private data globally. So I am quite curious whether...
Do you believe him?
I always believe till I have strong reason not to believe. So we will check what they are doing.
So it's quite a set of data. It's very complex regulation. Are we making it too tough for smaller companies, for the business environment in Europe?
I think that the GDPR as one important feature, it has to be applied in a proportionate way, proportionate to the level of risk. And I spoke about it before. If the company does not have the processing of data as a core business, if they do not sell the data, if they do not make money on the privacy of people, they should take some minimum kind of measures. But if the companies monetize the data of people, they should give something back to the people, and it's the better protection. So proportionate application of GDPR is necessary, and also I would add common sense, because I heard a lot of incredible stories about how GDPR will be applied. It's not necessary to go panicking.
Are you hoping this could become a global standard?
Yes, I do hope that Europe will serve as a good example of how we can and should protect the privacy of people with full respect to every individual. And it will be very important that the Europeans also show to the rest of the world that they can use their new the rights of better protection of privacy.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.